So, good afternoon. I am Cedric Alim from BS Math 1A. I am discussing daytime module in Math 3. So, let's start. Ang topic nga natin sa daytime is sa school. Schedule ng school. Schedule ng pasok. So, import daytime. So, daytime, tapos define school underscore week underscore info, then quantity school start date, tapos comma current date underscore. Siyempre hindi natin makakalimutan ang underscore, tapos equal, let's say none. Equal natin siya sa none para maayos natin ang variable. Then siyempre na-indent yan. If current date is none, tas indent, then current date equals date time date today, tapos walang nasa loob ng quantity. Then we need to calculate calculate natin yung mga araw na may pasok. So there's kailangan natin ng hashtag calculate tagal na lang, ilang araw ang merong pasok sa isang ayusin na natin. How many days have passed since the school started. Then yan, naka-indent yan. Delta underscore days the current date minus school start date tapos nakaano yan, sasarado natin, close parenthesis, the days. Then if delta underscore days, delta days delta days is greater than 0. Tapos close natin yan. Tapos mag-return tayo. Return, tapos double quote, school has not started yet. Then ulit. May space dyan. Dyan. Then syempre magkakaano ulit tayo dyan ng ika-calculate naman natin ang weeks. Calculate week number or week 1 starts on school date. Then week number ng week equals the delta days, tapos dalawang ganyang sign, 7 plus 1. So meron na tayong formula. Then hashtag ulit, find the start, siyempre Monday, and end of the week. So Sunday, lalagyan natin yung Sunday, and of the current school week. Then hashtag ulit, i-adjust naman natin ang current date to Monday. Ayos natin siya para more Monday, yan. Then of the current week. Wait, ayusin lang natin ng maayos naman ng yan. Be specific siguro. Then wait lang guys. Okay, so okay na yan. Wait, then yan. So nandiyan na tayo. Start of the week, start week, start of week equals what's the current date, tapos minus date time time delta, then quantity days cost per weekday. Tapos yan, close parenthesis na natin yan. Yan. End of week. Okay. Week equals start of week plus date time date equals days equals 6. Yan. Kailangan isin natin yung code. Then magre-return ulit tayo sa number of week. We need curly, kailangan natin i-curly bracket yan. So double quote week number, close natin yan, then yan, week number ulit, slash week start of week and start of week. Start of no pabalik tayo dyan. Double quote ulit, weekend na, close indent, then end of week, then close yung bracket, kakat ko na lang yan. Hashtag ulit, example. School start. School start equals date time that day. Kunyari 2025. Then anong petsa ngayon? So 6 ay 1 pala, kakasimula lang ng 1 6. Tama ba? Wait lang, baliktad pala. 1 6. Hashtag ulit, school starts at, ano mga yan, anong school start, example ngayon June 1 2025, no, gawin na natin to para Monday sakto. Then yun, lagyan natin yung Monday. 2025 6 then 2 then hashtag ulit. Let's pretend na ano ngayon. No, hindi tayo pretend para Sunday ngayon. Let's say Sunday ngayon. So June 1 June 1 2025. So lalagay din natin dyan yung Sunday. Okay. Then week info equals get to school week. Kailangan natin makuha yung school week na yan, yung info ng school week na yan. And school start tomorrow. Magpiprint na tayo ng code natin. Kailangan laging may app dyan. Plus week hashtag number. Tapos curly bracket yan. Week info then bracket 1 single indent, single quote pala, then close close. Okay, ano nangyari? Okay. Ano pala siya? Parenthesis pala siya, hindi siya curly bracket. Wait, anong mali sa code natin? Oo. Kailangan pala natin i-close yung quote, double quote. Then isa pang print. Yung F dyan, then double week. Tapos start sum. Then curly bracket. Info, then bracket ulit, single quote, wait, start, then ganyan lang siya. Then yung curly bracket natin, then close close na natin siya. Wait, we forgot this. Yan. Then isa pa, kasi kailangan natin ma-print yan kasi tatlo yan, so kailangan natin tatlo rin. Yung F simula, then weekends. No, wala na pala dito tayong ano dito. Sorry. Weekends on. Yan. Then curly bracket ulit. Week info. Then bracket. Single quote. Weekend. Single quote. Tas bracket, tas curly bracket, then double quote. Ayan, close parenthesis. Wait lang, may ayusin pa tayo dito. Ano ba? No, wait lang pala siya. Wait, ayusin, titingnan natin kung may mali ba sa code natin. So parang wala naman. Then try natin siya i-run. So F5. Okay. Oh, hindi pa natin siya nasa-save. Pangalan natin. Yes. Ay. This. Wait lang, mali pala yung nilagay natin dito na curly bracket to. Dito. So yun naayos na natin yung code. May ibababa lang pala yon, hindi siya sama-sama. Okay. Then run na natin. Okay. Ayun, okay na. Okay, gumana na ang ano natin. So